Folding phones are no longer a pipe dream. They're now a very prominent reality, and they have been for years. Leading the foldable charge is Samsung and its Galaxy Z Fold series. For 2024, the newest and hottest addition to the family is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. If you're looking for a fantastic foldable and price isn't an issue, the Fold 6 is the phone that should be at the top of your shopping list. Here are all the details of design and display of this top-tier foldable from Samsung. Samsung has made some modifications to the overall design of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 to differentiate it from its predecessor. When closed, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 measures 68.1 mm by 153.5 mm by 12.1 mm. When unfolded, it is 132.6 mm by 153.5 mm by 5.6 mm. It weighs only 239 grams. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is now the slimmest and lightest Galaxy Z Fold device yet. The Fold 6 also now features a perfectly symmetrical design with straight edges, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Z Fold 6 now uses a new dual-rail hinge structure that is supported and strengthened by a straightened folding edge. With this new hinge, it is able to better distribute the shock from external impacts evenly. Again, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes in 5 colors. 3 standard ones. And 2 Samsung exclusives. The standard colors are Silver Shadow, Pink, and Navy. The 2 exclusive Samsung colors, which can only be obtained on the Samsung website, are Craft Black and Purity White. The 6.3-inch HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X cover display now features a new aspect ratio that helps provide a more natural bar-type viewing experience. It also has a 2376 x 968 pixel resolution at 410 pixels per inch and a dynamic refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. The main screen is a 7.6-inch QXGA Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity Flex display with a 2160 x 1856 resolution at 374 pixels per inch, a refresh rate between 1 Hz and 120 Hz, and a maximum brightness of 2600 nits. Samsung added enhanced layers on the inner display to minimize the crease while maintaining overall strength. Samsung also equipped the Galaxy Z Fold 6 with enhanced armor aluminum and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It has an IP48 water resistance rating. That means the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the most durable of the Galaxy Z Fold series yet. That's all for today. Stay curious, stay informed, subscribe my channel. Bye for now.